We've got the senior leadership of Hexagon with us today at IMTEX 2025. Let's try and understand about some of the latest products and innovation that they have on display out here. Yes, sir, firstly, if you can just give us a small brief about the kind of unique products that you are displaying out here at IMTEX 2025.
See, every time I come here to IMTEX, it just keeps growing bigger and bigger. And as the name suggests of my division, which is Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence Division, we help the customers to manufacture their products in a much more intelligent way. So what we are displaying here is a software platform where you can completely design and manufacture in the digital world. And once you manufacture in the digital world, you can try out all variations and everything so that you reduce the number of prototypes. Once you make it in the physical world, we have our own CMM machines to measure the quality of the part. So essentially, to help you to ensure that what you see in the digital world, you also see in the physical world. That's the whole idea. So if you take a quality of the part is performance quality and perceived quality. Performance quality, what happens about the engineering of the part? What happens when you drop the part? What the stresses? What's the deflection? Perceived quality is the manufacturing quality or the surface finish, which is the manufacturing simulation product shows. So the whole idea is finally the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So when you manufacture the physical part, the CMM machines are going to measure and tell you about this, what is the quality of the part. So if there is any difference between the digital quality and the physical quality, we go back with the learnings and ensure that the assumptions are correct in the digital world so that you get the product right first time with the highest quality. And that's what is getting displayed to ensure that India manufactures quality products to the world, and our products are accepted not only by the Indian community but for the worldwide community. And I strongly believe India can be the manufacturing capital when they use technologies of this nature.
If you can just tell us about some sustainable solutions, that you have come out for your customers.
See, the very fact that we have reduced the number of prototypes, that itself is a big sustainable solution, because you are not going to produce, for example, earlier for one automotive platform, we used to have about 100 or 150 prototypes. Today they have come down drastically to about 15 or 20 prototypes. So that shows that we're already working on the sustainable side. The more you work on the digital world, you reduce your carbon footprint automatically. Second thing, what you're actually doing is we are ensuring that even in our own manufacturing portfolio, all our suppliers and everything are taking care of not only the whole sustainability but also the environment, the whole ESG kind of compliance. So we are taking care of it at the manufacturing level, we are taking care of it at the design level, we are taking care of it across the whole manufacturing cycle. And we help our customers to reduce the carbon footprint by drastically reducing the number of prototypes that they actually make before manufacturing the actual physical part.
Also, if you can tell us about your India plans, the kind of growth that you anticipate, some new products in the pipeline, in the coming 1 year.
See, last year was one of the best years for India ever. The Make in India is really helping us to grow in a big way. Last year we grew about more than close to 35%, and this year we are expecting to grow again this way. So the Make in India really helps us with our manufacturing portfolio. Now slowly the Made in India is also helping us where in the design portfolio. So if you really look at it, M&M is manufacturing about 5 platforms for the European market and completely designed on Hexagon platform. Similarly, the other major automotive manufacturers are also doing that. So whether it is automotive or aerospace or defense, we see a lot of growth in India in automotive space, in aerospace, in defense area and in the electronics area. So I think, there's a great times for Hexagon for India, and we expect to grow similarly for the next 4 to 5 years easily.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir.
I'm Sridhar Dharmarajan, Executive Vice President and Managing Director for Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence in India, essentially responsible for the design portfolio, manufacturing portfolio and the quality portfolio as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.